guys, that's the spot we have to reach, and this is the road leading to it. So my friend who has come here already a lot of times pehle, he says that it used to be very crowded, but I'm guessing because of the COVID thing, people are not traveling as much, and whoever are don't want to come here. So yeah, it's great. It's really great, guys, and it's a very beautiful spot. Just not for taking pictures. It's a beautiful spot because it's very close to nature. It's still not as destroyed by human presence as much as any other place in Goa, at least. And this is the backside of the Dil Chahta Hai fort, the fort that was picturesquely shown in Dil Chahta Hai. This is the backside of it, and it really looks amazing, guys. Guys, we've finally reached the point, and you can have a look at the sunset. It's magical. It looks so surreal right now. Just have a look. Hi guys, what a view, what an amazing view. And this is a sweet picnic spot where you guys are sitting, and we'll just have a few drinks here facing the ocean and the sunset, which has already happened, by the way. Didn't notice that. And there's some amazing music here.
And with amazing people.
In my life. Guys, we are returning back from Shapora Fort and the stairway to heaven, and the moon has come up. You guys can see it back there. Yeah. So it's a wrap. We are heading to have our dinner at the W in Goa, which is right here. Surprisingly, we didn't know. It's right outside the Shapora Fort, and it's a great place to have dinner. And we're heading to have that. Post that, I don't know what the plan looks like, but we'll have a pretty amazing time, I'm sure. Keep you posted. Bye. Guys, we'll be moving to the sea-facing restaurant here called Spice Traders actually. We'll be moving to the restaurant called Spice Traders, it's sea-facing. So we'll take a buggy from here and move to Spice Traders. Guys, we finally reached Spice Traders for dinner, and let's see how this place looks like. It's a sea-facing restaurant with amazing dining options. It's a multi-cuisine restaurant, and let's see what they have to offer.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome.
We are 4 people. We are here for dinner. We want a sea-facing table.
Absolutely. May I request your room number, please?
No, we are guests here.
No problem. I'll just request your name if you don't mind.
S. Mishra.
Mr. Mishra. 4 of you.
Yes, after you. Come. Guys, follow me.
Coconut, pineapple and cucumber, so it really goes well. Like the flavor of cucumber, coconut combines pretty well.
Let's make one of that.
Okay,
One of Goan Mule.
sure.
One of Ki Bolli Jyoti. What did you say?
How is Fizz.
pizza? One Kiwi Fizz. How is
Pizza is like if you want something classic, so it goes with Aperol, soda and your sparkling. So that's a classic pizza.
Leaving this place after an amazing dinner, guys, please do visit Spice Traders at W if whenever you're in Goa, Vagator. It's a great place for an amazing, it's a multi-cuisine restaurant, so you basically can order anything that you want. And let me now call my buggy and we'll leave. Stay tuned for my next video, and in the meantime, do like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.